Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I'm definitely looking at this as the end of a wave 3, and I think that the wave A of 4 is likely already over. I think we're already in the wave B, which the wave B should be a correction to the wave A, and eventually I think it will probably make its way down to the 50% for wave C of wave 4. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, like I said, I think it's very clear that the wave A is complete, probably right here. I think that we're already now in a wave B, which should be a correction to the wave A, and probably back down for a wave C. Like I always say, this is a weekly, monthly time frame correction, and this is easily probably going to put us into probably the beginning of 2025 before this wave 4 is actually complete. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think it's very clear that the wave A is over right here. I think that this is an A, B, C of wave B that we got in right now. I would expect this wave C of B to probably look something like that before it really does end up continuing back down. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we got that breaker structure earlier this week that I've been waiting for. Now, if you remember correctly, I spent several weeks telling everybody to do nothing but looking for shorts. Now I would imagine I'll be spending at least several weeks telling everybody to do nothing but looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Ever since we had that break and hold above structure way back here, we should have been looking for longs. We should have tried to go long there. We should have tried to go long there, and we should have tried to go long there. Look at this one. 1, 2, 3 waves down. 1, 2, 3 waves down. This is a little bit more of a motor wave correction, but there is a base drop right there, so I do think it is kind of a three-way pattern. So I have my Fibonacci extension on here because I'm looking for areas of resistance. If it turns down at one of these fib levels, I definitely will not be going short, but instead I'll be patiently waiting for more three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. You definitely will be way more consistently profitable, in my opinion, if you continue to trade with the trend and just ignore any moves to the downside and instead just look for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.